Mhm. I know I want to talk about certain things that happen in my fucking life, but sometimes they're not supposed to be on YouTube and or TikTok, so I'm actually talking about certain things that happened to me yesterday at the center that I go to. Certain things that should be mentioned that people tend to piss me off. Well, not today though, but yesterday, somebody pissed me the fuck off. Still wanted to play D&D and shit like that. It's not what I'm here for at all. I can only do it on weekends, but not this weekend because I have something else to do. So, yeah. Anyways, this person intentionally fucking pisses me off. That he won't back down from, like, let's play D&D, blah, 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 blah. Dude, shut the fuck up. I'm done. And I don't care anymore. You talk about it all fucking day long for the past 3 fucking days. I'm like literally fucking out of here with that shit. And I know I'm working on dishes and talking about my day yesterday, but he needs to start realizing that it's not about him. And also this girl I want to say I like, which is I kind of do, I guess as a magic friend, but I can't see her name, wants to play magic, and I told her, hey, I'm kind of burnt out on magic, but can we play Friday? And she said, I'm not for sure if she said yes or no, because her staff is like intervening to every fucking thing there is. She goes, what happens if nobody wants to play magic? Then fuck you guys. I don't want to play D&D at all. It fucking irritates the crap out of me when somebody talks more about it, and it's like, fuck you dudes. Yeah, it literally irritates the shit out of me. Usually I don't let that happen, but sometimes it has to happen. Fuck. I'm done with that shit. And it's fucking stupid what I think. Yeah. Grow the fuck up. That's what I hate to say. But, heck, I might tag him in this video. I might not. Who the fuck knows? That fucking irritates the shit out of me. And I'm literally fucking done with it. You know who you are? I am not going to explain anymore. Because you follow me on all sorts of social media. Including TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. But you fucking irritate the fucking shit out of me, dude. I don't give a fuck anymore. You intentionally piss me off. I'm not going to do what you want to do. I'm going to do something else. I'm going to play some Commander tomorrow. I'm not going to play Magic Arena, which is, I know, probably later tomorrow. I'm going to play some Magic Arena anyways, so. And also, I'm getting tired of certain people piss me the fuck off, so. And I know, it ain't Crazy Larry, I know that for damn sure. Or Douglas, or Tyler, but it's this one person that goes to my center, and he fucking does this shit to me every fucking time. So fuck you, dude. Hopefully you have a fucking rotten day.